guys, nandito na ako sa Shenzhen. Ayan, so mag-meet kami ng mga kasama ko kasi group tour ito. So hanapin natin yung circle, yun ang meeting place namin. So supposedly 8 o'clock ang aming calling time at 7:23 na. So mag-request muna ako. Ito na yung tour guide namin. Ayan siya. Wow, kasama namin. Ayan yung tour guide namin. Ayan. Ito yung mga talagang kagroup ko sila. Ayan. Madami kami. Ayan. Kasawa ko guys. Waiting muna. Ang call time namin 8 o'clock. Ano pa? Maaga. Ngayon na lang VIP kami. Ha? Imagine. Guys, VIP kami.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Go!
Anta na namin yung aming bus.
Excited na mag-CR, sure?
Ayan.
Ikaw, dali ka mag-CR?
Ito na yung aming bus. Ayan. Ready to go na. Ito na. Hindi na mag-filler.
To some students, you talk to some students, maybe they don't give you the answer, right? Yes. They are not, we can't say they are wrong. They are right, because they want to protect themselves, right? Yes, but if you say this wrong, we know, maybe you're happy. And how can we want to recognize you? Especially for the tourists. If you stay in Hong Kong, maybe you come here before. If you're a tourist, remember.
Dito na.
This is very good chance for the girls.
Stop over kami dito, guys. Ayun o, meron parang castle dyan. Ayan. First stop namin ay ito. Ayan. Group picture daw kami dito. Ayan. May bridge dito. Lunchtime. Papasok kami dito guys para mag-lunch with some groups. Ayan. Very nice. Chinese na Chinese style. O, diba? Taas. Akyat. Grabe, ang ganda. Ayan. Lahat. Oo. Ito naman guys. So, mapalit-palit yung foods namin. Kaso maanghang siya. Maanghang at maalat. Pero okay lang. Ayan, kumain. Ganito yan. Oh, diba? Ganyan, oh. Oh, kuyakoy. Marunong ka yan? Oh, mabilisan lang guys. Oh. Diba? Oh, ang galing. Yung pala yun. Grabe, ang bilis nila. Oh. Yan. Tapos na yun. Ha? Aso? Asan yung aso? Oh, di ba? Nakuha tayo ulit sa Glass Bridge. Ayan. Mag last race na tayo guys. Baba na tayo.